Before the typewriter, writing was a laborious task. Imagine writing entire documents by hand. But in the mid-19th century, everything changed with the invention of the typewriter. The journey began with inventors like Pellegrino Turri, who created a machine in 1808 to help his blind friend write. Then came William Austin Burt's typographer in 1829, a precursor to the typewriter. But the real game-changer was Christopher Latham Sholes. In 1868, he and his team developed the Sholes and Glidden typewriter, also known as the Remington. This machine featured the QWERTY keyboard layout we still use today. Electric typewriters emerged in the 20th century, making typing faster and quieter. But the real revolution came with computers and word processors, which eventually led to the decline of typewriters.